welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up Twitter X for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Play Store on your device, and then in the search bar of the Google Play Store, you must search for Twitter. Hit go enter on your keyboard and then download the app saying X. If you've already downloaded Twitter on your device, you can skip this step and head straight over to your search bar of your app drawer and then type in X. Open the Twitter X app, allow the permissions that it asks for, and then here you can either continue with phone, Google, your email, or log in with your username. For now, we're going to be tapping on login with username. Here you can simply type in your username, hit continue, and enter your password to log into your account. This is assuming that you already have an account. If you do not have an account, simply hit continue with phone, and then you'll be prompted to set up your birthday, enter your phone number, or you can hit use email at the top right to use your email. Hit continue and follow the on-screen instructions in which you'll have to set up your username along with your password, and then your account will be created and you'll have logged into Twitter X for the very first time. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.